Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:30. So did you see the beautiful downfall that Nifty had? Yesterday when I was making my video, I said that I'm going to go short on Nifty the moment 50 moving average crosses, the 200 moving average. And see here the beautiful downfall. Yesterday only we had an opportunity to short it, and by opening today itself, again there was a downfall. You remember I had put this put option here. This was 54 rupees yesterday, 52 rupees, and today it even touched the high of 94.90, right? So this is the beautiful fall Nifty had, and the reasons, the two stocks that have made it possible, I mean, of course, many stocks are correcting right now. One of them is Voltas. The other one is SRF. Look at SRF, 248 points down. It's been just falling down like anything. There's been just a tremendous fall this stock is having, right? So of course many stocks had their even HEG has fallen quite many points today, but I have not exited my position. I'm still holding it. Yesterday my profits were about 20% and I was getting about 80,000, but I didn't exit. As I told you, that I need specific signals to exit. Right now I don't have the signal to exit my trade over here, like it's well above the moving averages. But what I want to tell you from here is that do not enter when you see such solid candles. Like this is not your entry. Why? Because your stop loss comes way below. Like you see here, there is nothing can stop this stock's fall till it touches the 10 moving average. So your entry should be very close to the moving average so that you get good support. All right, so this is something you have to take care. Like even our stock of this one, solar industries, is also doing pretty fine today in a negative market. This stock has been just performing well. See the beautiful support that it has taken up, and it's just heading up from there. Okay, so here even in my holdings I have AIA Engineering. That's also doing very good. It's not bad, like it's pretty decent return. The stock has taken. I'm pretty happy about it. See, let me just show it to you. AIA Engineering. Solar Industries I have shown you, and AIA Engineering. The only letdown that I feel is Sharda Crop. That's not going up. So there is a bit of profit booking after opening gap up. The stock has come down. Like let me just see what was the high that it made today. 1600 was the high that it made today, right? The Sharda Crop is not actually showing me any kind of movement, but it's standing on a support. So I'm just hoping, because of these big candles, probably, and the Nifty being weak today, the stock is consolidating, but hopefully it should be able to move in the upper direction. The other stock that I have on my radar is OIL. Look at this beautiful stock. you know I definitely plan to enter into it. If I mean, maybe on Monday I'll see, when the opportunity comes, and I'll show you my trade. I definitely plan to enter into it, right? So this looks pretty fine to me, and let's go and look into what's happening in Nifty right now. So Nifty has made a day low, and from there a little bit bounce has come in. A little bit bounce has come in. Like see here. I mean, let me just put the pivot points and see what did it do. So where are the pivot points here, right? So it touched, R1, R2. It's standing right now on R2, right? So if it holds itself, and it goes above 10 moving average, then maybe some kind of like relief people may get. Otherwise, the market has been just heading down, right? All the stocks, you name it, and it's down. You name it. Voltas, so definitely is massively down since morning. But look into any stock, Tata Steel, or you look into HEG, you look into Tata Motors, Cyient, Quest, Goa Carbon, Federal Bank, Petronet is little positive, Godrej Industries, Smartlink. I mean, whatever I have put on my radar, each of them is nicely down. Asian Paints, and everything, and even except Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv both are doing very, very well. And reason for that is the numbers that they have got. They have got very beautiful numbers. And this one stock that I had on my radar for sell side was Ultratech Cement. See the beautiful fall the stock has had. So I believe, if you remain in the direction of the market, if the market is going down, look out for the trades which are under resistance and which could be falling down. So I had some stock. I told you yesterday also the stocks that I had on my radar for sell side. Definitely one of them was CET. Then I had Bharti Airtel, and then I had Jan Irrigation. Right, these are the stocks that I had on my radar on sell side. Right, see the beautifully, it's been just falling down so beautifully. Right, nice fall the stock is having continuously. And this is Jan Irrigation. See, Jan Irrigation has also been falling down, for quite some time. It's just been falling down, right? So this was also another stock that I had on my radar. Right now what I'm planning, that for a few days let's just stand out and watch the market and see how it consolidates, and then probably enter into it. I may exit some of my positions which I'm holding here. Out of them, if I have to exit, I'm planning to exit Shada Crop in little loss and invest this 43,000 rupees somewhere else. I'll just see if I could recover here. Otherwise, these four stocks, AIA Engineering, Graphite India, in fact, these three stocks belong to the same category. So these three, I don't plan to exit. Solar Industries, I don't plan to exit except Sharda Crop. But I am finding it on a good support, right? So hope for the best. Even in the equity, the situation is not really good. Like every single equity is down, right? Every single equity is heading down. So it's okay. Like when the markets go up, there has to be some kind of consolidation that has to take place. Look at Bajaj Finserv, how it has just gone up. My God, beautiful flight it has taken. Beautiful flight, right? So analyze such kind of stocks, and if you want to learn how do you invest into such stocks, I'm just about to launch my positional trade. I think everybody must do it. You will be able to figure out such stocks well in advance, and you will know exactly where do you need to enter. And many people have joined my Nifty course, and they are successfully trading into Nifty options or Nifty futures both. And this is the one I'm just about to launch. Like maybe within 2 3 days or 4 days you will get it. And then comes this positional basic course, which will just take me another 2 3 days to launch, and then we will launch this. But there has to be some changes here, because this has to be there are about 3 or 4 techniques we'll give you for intraday, and this price has to go up. It'll be at least 15,000 rupees. We need to change it. We haven't changed it, but we'll definitely be changing it, right? So guys, what I want to tell you here, that identification of a stock and correct stock is very, very important. Even in the down market, you will be able to generate good amount of money if you have identified good stocks. So let me just close by analyzing Nifty, a short video today, because there's nothing much happening in the market. So here is Nifty, right? And let me look into Nifty's option chain. It doesn't look positive to me at all. Nifty looks to be heading down. So let me look into the derivative, Nifty derivative, see what's happening here. So there is huge writing happening at 10,600, right? And there's a huge amount of call writing happening at this level, which is 10,700. Where are we right now? 10,623. So the boundaries of Nifty are 10,600 and 10,700, right? So Nifty may, if it breaks this support, it may further go down about 20-23 points, and then after that it may bounce back, right? Then after that it may bounce back. So hope for the best, and guys, trade well, and before you trade in the market, learn about it, right? Another stock that I have on my radar is Glenmark, which is just about to reach its multiple support zone, right? There could be an entry the moment it touches this lower part, lower of this support area. So let's wait and watch and see what happens. If not today, tomorrow, on Monday, probably we will have an entry into this. So with this, I'm signing off, but see you at the webinars. See you. I mean, I want each of you to learn so that you can create beautiful trades and create a passive income and an income which is going to be much, much better than, you know, the income from the mutual funds, and you will be in control of your money, right? It will just be, like whenever you feel like entering into stock, enter at that time and exit. I'm going to give you every single policy. Entry and exiting policy will be given to you very, very clearly. So with this, I'm signing off. Market looks weak to me, so trade carefully. As I told yesterday also, just trade carefully, and if Nifty breaks this support of R2, then it will further go down at least about 20 to 30 points, right? 20 to 30 points, it may go further down. And the kind of candles being made, it doesn't look pretty promising to me. I feel that it will go down further from here. So I'm going to sign off from here, but I'm waiting to see you at my course. And please learn and then trade in the market. Bye-bye. Good day.